Hi, I'm Lynn Hunter and I'm an actress and I've been for a long time, more years than I care to remember, and I'm playing Maisie in Say It With Flowers. And we're 2 weeks into rehearsal. It's always that time where you think, oh my God, we haven't got enough time. But it's going really well, I think. It's a lovely piece. The setting is going to be fabulous, I think. It's a really lovely idea, the way they've designed the set for it. Because it covers a lot of things. It covers the present day, and it also has flashbacks from Dorothy's life and her big concerts and all that. So I was wondering how they were going to get around that, but it's a really clever idea. Rehearsals are going really well. We're all enjoying working together. It's very much an ensemble piece, and I think it's going to be really interesting. It'll be nice to see. I mean, Dorothy Squires was such an icon in her time. Interestingly now, there are a lot of young people who've never heard of her, but she was, before Shirley Bassey. And if you listen to Dorothy sing, you can see where Shirley Bassey's come from. She was a massive icon and a real character, and the piece is really lovely. It's a lovely story about part of Dot's life, and we're all having great fun doing it, and we hope audiences are going to love it.